Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 68 plated Renault Clio GT line. Now this is the DCI 1.5 diesel engine and she's only done 31,822 miles. Now the car's finished in the flame red metallic, which I think is an absolute superb colour. Being the GT line, we get the benefit of the nicer grey 5-spoke titanium grey alloys. The same colour on the alloys is on the door mirrors, and then the nice sports line on the bottom of the doors, that's there then. But the GT line has all the nice features that the sports model get. So the flame red metallic paint is gorgeous, as you can see in this light here now. Really stands out, shows all the lines of the car and then complemented with that grey detailing. Now the GT line gets the bottom half of the doors and the trims, they're all colour coded to the vehicle also. Very nicely specified with lots of kit, as we'll see. Now the GT line gets with the LED style headlamps, so they're called LED Pure Vision. They do light up the road fantastically well. We've got the grey detailing on the front bumper then as we go round. Very, very nice car. These 1.5 diesel engines are arguably the best on the market. Compliment to Renault that Mercedes-Benz buy this engine and they put it in the A-Class Mercedes. Nissan put it in all of their cars. Renault put it in all of their cars. Arguably one of the best diesel engines on the market today. So the alloy wheels are all in fantastic condition, 17-inch 5 spokes. Now when we detail the car, we'll remove them, we'll wash them, we'll polish them, make them look as good as we can. The car itself, you can tell that it's really been cherished. The doors, down the side, everything is in lovely order. There's no trolley dents or anything like that. GT lines come keyless entry, so there's a little button on the door handle to which you can just press and then the car locks and unlocks. We get the nicer rear LED style lamps and then the nice larger exhaust system and the grey detailing to the bumper as well. GT line badges. Boots on these are a fantastic space, so as you can see, a lovely spacious boot. Very well maintained. The bumpers are all in nice order, no real marks that shows mistreatment or carelessness on the there. Parking sensors on the rear. Privacy glass in the back as well to give it that nicer, as you can see there, I've just walked away, it's locked itself. All the wheels are in exceptional order. They're in very nice. Passenger side mirrors that of the driver, and they're both in fantastic condition. All in all, what a very nice motor car indeed. So thinking about fuel efficiency, these are a 60 mile to the gallon plus car. There's the little hand button on the handle. Press that, it locks it. As you can see, I put my hand in, unlock it, and there we go. Now we're greeted on the GT line by this lovely part leather interior. Very sporty indeed. 4 electric windows, power folding door mirrors. We've got the bass or the bass reflex stereo system, so a nice sound. The actual interior is in lovely order. We've got the contrast white stitch on those seats, and then we've got the checkered flag cloth down the centre. The bases and the backs are all in lovely order. The carpets are in immaculate condition. Everything about this vehicle is in very nice condition. The car's only done 31,822 miles, as I say. The keys are in my pocket, and as I fire her up, we don't have any warning lights or anything on the dash. The dash revs nicely. The leather trim steering wheel is a lovely in the hand. We've got contrast detail of silver on there. We've got cruise control, voice control, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers. We've got the remote controls for the stereo system and the Bluetooth phone there. 5-speed manual gearbox, eco mode, leather trimmed on the gear and also on the handbrake. The passenger interior seat mirrors that of the driver and is in immaculate order. The plastic detail, very sort of checker flag. Gloss black detailing around your multifunction touchscreen. And then we've got digital air conditioning. Lovely cold. I'm on aircon here now and it's ice cold, I can tell. Auxiliary and USB there. And then we have the touchscreen sat nav and agree to the terms. So we can update it later. I'll tell them later, shall we? There you go. And then you've got the Garmin style sat-nav screen, very, very nice detailing on there. Press the home screen and you'll get everything, so your DAB radio system there, so DAB, press home again and you can just keep going through, Bluetooth, etc. Eco drive mode, so you can see your fuel efficiency, so the last owner obviously has got 5 stars the way it's been driven. Very, very nice. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell this vehicle has not been smoked in. It still smells new. It has that lovely fresh clean smell that you know that somebody has lovely maintained it inside. It's not had, shall we say, McDonald's in it every day of the week. The carpets, the interior are in lovely, lovely condition. Be very happy with this car personally. But a lovely cockpit. Take a look at that. Nice environment to drive to work. Now, to make it look like a 3-door, these manufacturers now go with the door handle up at the top to give you the coupe lines. Then the door opens very nicely and greets you with a real nice part leather back seat again, which is in as new condition. Headrests on the back, again contrast stitches. Everything about it is just in perfect order. Quite rare, these cars, and in this condition with this mileage, even rarer. So lovely condition. So in finishing, we've got 2 keys for the car, we've got the full book pack, the car's got a complement of all the documentation, the service history, everything's detailed in the advert. What a lovely vehicle. There is nothing, in my opinion, that would detract from purchasing this vehicle whatsoever. Lovely car. It is a credit to the previous owner. So, if you'd like to reserve this with us, you give us a call. We'll take £250. That will reserve it for you. You can then come to Wigan and visit us once and do click and collect. Once you're happy with the vehicle, test drive it, inspect it, you can then buy it. If you're not happy with it, we'll give you £250 back, and obviously you can carry on your search for another vehicle. I'm Graham, there's Dominic and Lee on sales. Have a look on our social media, you'll see lots of customers from all over the UK. We're an award-winning family business here in Wigan. We've been doing this job for more than 40 years from our luxurious showroom here in Wigan. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.